Welcome to our weekly Wellness Feature Weekly Report. I'm your host, Hope Raganesi. As we all know, eating well, exercising regularly, and getting checkups are all important for staying healthy. But forgetting the simple daily task of washing your hands with soap and water can result in severe illness. I was always taught from a young age that hands are good at transmitting germs, but thankfully, washing hands can prevent many different illnesses, including colds and pneumonia. Hand washing can also prevent certain skin infections as well. Here's a question for all parents out there listening. Is hand washing any more important when children are involved? The answer is yes, for two reasons. Number one, children are often more vulnerable to infectious diseases. And two, they are also better at spreading infectious diseases to others. So it's important for children to wash their own hands, ideally with the help of an adult, and for some people caring for children to wash their hands carefully. Teaching children good personal hygiene can have a positive impact for a lifetime. Before we aired today, I was asked how often we should wash our hands, but there isn't any set number for that that's been recommended. However, people should think about the times and events during the day when they are more likely to transmit germs to themselves and others. Key times include when people are handling food, preparing meals, eating, and of course after using the restroom or changing a diaper. We've all probably seen long lists of proper steps for hand washing on different platforms, like websites or posters, but I would like to boil it down to 3 key points. Number 1, use soap. Washing hands with soap removes germs much better than washing hands with water alone. Number 2, scrub all of the surfaces of your hands, including under your fingernails, when germs tend to hang out. And number 3, wash your hands for about 20 seconds, and that's about as long as it takes to sing the happy birthday song twice. Hand sanitizers are also a great way to clean hands because they are portable, easy, and quick, not to mention popular these days. It does, however, still come second best to soap and water, but hand washing stations are not always available or accessible all the time, and keeping a hand sanitizer with you is a great infection prevention tactic. Keep in mind, though, soap and water is the only technique that we should be using with visibly soiled hands. Listeners can go to the CDC website for more information. And remember, proper hand washing can prevent a substantial number of illnesses. It is easy and the best infection prevention protocol we can do daily. Until next time, this is Hope Raganesi. Stay healthy.